Hello friends, in this video we will discuss what is models in Codeigniter Framework. In previous video we have discussed what is controllers in Codeigniter Framework, but in this video tutorial we have start discussing next topics is what is models in Codeigniter Framework and what is the use of this models in Codeigniter Framework and how to load models function in controllers in Codeigniter. In Codeigniter, models are simple PHP class in which we can write one or more function in it. Models are optionally available for those who want to use a more traditional MVC approach. Models are PHP classes that are designed to work with information in your database. If you want to do any database operation like insert data, update data, delete data and retrieve data from database, then this all type of operation can do in this models. But in this video we will not do any database operation, but we will see how to create models in Codeigniter, and in that models how to create simple function and how to load that function controllers for see the output in browser. First we have see how to create models in Codeigniter. In models folder you can see there is no file in that folder, so for this first we have create on file, and in that file we have open and close PHP tag and save this file into this models folder. Now in this file we have write simple class with name main_models extends sim models class with open and close bracket. This way we have create simple models in Codeigniter Framework. For creating models there is some rules for creating models. Some rules are models name must be start with PHP file name and first letter must be capital, and in class name you must add _model which define it is models, and this models class extends the sim models class. This way we can create models in Codeigniter Framework. After this now we have show how to create function in the models class. So for this we have write public function test main function and write open and close bracket, and in this function we have write echo statement with text like this is model function. This way we have create function in models. Now we have show how to load models in controllers. So for this we have go to controllers folder, and in that folder we have one main controller. So we have open main.php file, and in controllers we have to load models in index function. So for this in index function we have write $this object operator with load with object operator with model open and close bracket, and between this we have write model name which is main model. This way we can load models in controllers. Now we want to call models function in controllers. So for this we have write $this with object operator with model name which is main model with object operator with models function which we want to call. So for this we have write model function. This way we can call models function in controllers. Friends, you have show this error like unable to locate the model you have specified. So for this we have go to models folder and we have rename main.php file to main_model.php name and save the code and check output in browser. Now we want to show output of this controllers in which we have called models function. So for this we have go to browser and we have write localhost/tutorial/Codeigniter folder name and press enter. This way we can see the output of controllers. Friends, you can see that this is model function which we have write under models as main function. We have load models and controllers, and in that controllers we have called this models main function, and we have show output on browser. This way models work. Controller gather all information in controller, and by this controller we have show output in browser. Suppose you have used Codeigniter Framework and in models you have write function for fetching data, so this function will fetching data from database and load this models into controllers, and in controllers you can call models function for fetching data into controller, and by this controllers you can see the output in browser. This way Codeigniter MVC Framework are work. So friends, this is my video tutorial on what is models in Codeigniter Framework. In this video we have discussed what is the functionality of models in Codeigniter Framework. The main functionality of models are used for database operation like insert, update, delete and fetching. Models do this operation and send back data to controllers, and controllers gather data from models and that will send data for output in browser. So friends, if you like this video tutorial you can share this video tutorial with your friends, or even you can share this video on social media also. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so, friends, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow Webs Listen on Twitter.